Hello everyone, this is Chris with Sticker Fab. Today we are going to show you our hood strut system for the soft tops on the 2021 and up Ford Bronco. These are only on the 4 doors, obviously, because the factory 2-door top is the hard top. So let's get in the back of this and show you what it's all about. I really love having this accessory. If I had any other soft top vehicles, I would put it on it too, because it makes it easier just to get in and get all your cargo loaded. I spent a lot of my time just trying to shove cargo in under here as well as I could, just not to lift that up, because you had to unlatch it and then you had to put that little hood prop out. But you could do a one-handed operation right here. I just let that release, and now we are into the back of our vehicle. That simple. So a lot of the times I find myself using this even if I come close to hitting this with any cargo, just because it's a lot easier to operate, a lot easier to reach into the back of your vehicle. And let's face it, we all have busy lives, or a lot of us do. So ease and simplicity is a big portion of owning a vehicle. You want to make it really good utility-wise when we're off-roading and we have accessories. I have this hooked up to a cooler over here, and I have some other stuff. When we're on the trails, we just want to get in and get out as quick as possible. In this video, I'm not going through a full install, but I wanted to document some of the things that made the installation difficult from a standpoint of reading the directions and understanding what is going on. You have a 13 millimeter bolt over here. You're probably gonna need an open-ended wrench to get into those areas. Just put your top up on the hood prop, and that's how you can start this installation. That's how you can reach this. They use these brackets and the factory bolts. So you're taking this stuff off and then you're reusing these bolts. It notches all the way up into this plastic support area. One of the things that was confusing to me was how this bracket goes. Now this bracket has a slight bend to it, and the other one bends in the other direction. So if I run my finger across it, it's actually bending and getting closer to the center. And on this side, of course, it bends the other way and gets closer towards the center. So you want to make sure you have your brackets on the correct side. I'm going to pause real quick. It looks like that. The gas strut mounts on the interior. And then when it goes up here, it actually winds up mounting on the exterior. So over here, as you saw earlier, mounts on the interior. These just pop over it. The actual tube is towards the top, and you can see the hardware right there. This just pops on really easily if you ever need to remove them. There's this little collar you can stick in a screwdriver and push it right there. Not only does it make it easier to get into the back of your vehicle though, when you put the top all the way down, you're gonna have to use a little bit more force to get it down, and then make sure you lock this back so it doesn't try to pop up while you're driving. But then it's a lot easier to install the soft top and get it back into the up position, because these gas struts will help push up on that. I've been using this a lot. I'm glad that we finally got our stock order. And when you're done, just pull down hard. You'll hear both sides click into place, and then you're done. So we probably will do a full installation video later, especially if people are having problems installing this. But I did this in the hot Florida sun, basically with no video to go off of, no notes or anything. Our customer service is there to help you out. They'll probably default asking me a few questions until we understand what questions there might be out there. But I think I covered a lot of it in the video. Really happy with this upgrade, and if I had a soft top, I would definitely have that. I mean, I get into the back of this thing all the time. I don't get in under the hood as much, so hood struts are definitely nice to have, but this modification is even nicer to have, and I think everyone should take advantage of it. So thank you for all your support. Please like this video, subscribe to my YouTube channel if you have not already, and hit that bell notification icon for the latest and greatest things we are coming out with for the 2021 and up Ford Bronco.